Okay, so next thing we need to do is actually cover our base so that we can attach our tree. So we're going to do a red tree skirt. So I've got red roll fondant here. Let me get this green out of here. So it needs to be a little larger than my cookie right there. So I'm just going to use this as a guide and cut around about 1/2 inch bigger than the cookie. Okay, and then we need a little bit more of the fondant. We'll use this red. Okay, we need something for the cookie to actually stand up against. Once we put it on there, you'll see what I mean in a second. So I just take some of this, put some water underneath it, and place it down. Okay, now this, first I place it on top, and then I fold this underneath. Now what we can do is go ahead and take some water in a brush and go underneath it. And if you just put a little on the cookie and a little on the fondant here and there, then it'll stick. Okay, next is to find the placement of the cookie. Okay, so one should be towards the front of this little mound, and the other one should be more towards the back to support it. Okay, and they're just going to be connected on one side because it's supposed to be like a greeting card that you would open, so they're just connected at the one side. So we can lean those out just a little bit more, so it'll end up like that. What we need to do is take some royal icing, and where they're going to touch, that's where we put the royal icing. So I just use a little water on my brush to just kind of wipe off that excess royal icing. And there's a little royal icing that looks like it kind of dropped down there at the base. I'm going to get rid of that. It looks like it's going to tilt. Okay, the other place we need to put some royal icing is at the base. And I usually put it behind it, like right in here. That little mound I made, hold on to the cookie a little bit and just kind of push that fondant up against the cookie and secure it a little bit more with that royal icing in there. And then take the brush and wipe off the extra royal. Okay, same here, kind of hold on to both of them and kind of push that fondant up against that. And that's going to help support the tree. Let's make sure it's still in the right position. And I'm going to put a little bit more royal icing in there. I need to move, I would really like the tree to be in the middle. It looks like it's off to the right just a little bit, or to your left. So I want to push the whole thing over slightly. That's better, it's in the middle now. Okay, so while that's drying, we can go ahead and cover our packages.